Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. This wig is too good to not have in your collection. It's one of those most simple, easy pop on and goes. If you are literally someone who is just now starting in wigs, hands down, a great option for you to try. So this is a textured wig that we have sent over from UNice. I am opening up their package, showing you guys what came in the packaging as well. I'm wearing my wig completely glueless today, but if you want to use glue, you can. We have a closure to work with. All of the details are going to be in my description bar below. But do you see how the knots are already bleached and how it's pre-plucked and pre-cut? You have minimum work to do with this wig. That's why I was like, how am I going to make this video long when all I have to do is take this wig out the packaging and then use my hot comb and my straightener. That was it. So just so you guys know, you're not really getting much of it's a tutorial. Yes, it's a tutorial, but I didn't have to do anything to this wig is the point that I'm trying to get at. It fits really great on the head. It feels secure. It has two combs on the side, no comb at the back, but it does have a adjustable band built into it, as well as some elasticity around the back so that it fits snug right back there in the nape. So it won't be doing a bunch of sliding. I wore this wig all week last week to work for 8+ hours, and my wig did not slide. It stayed good and straight. I would say keep you like a wig brush on you, just for the back area to make sure your hair stays brushed out. I kept mine in the straight texture that it comes in, but since it's human hair, you can add curls to it. You can see now all I'm doing is just taking off that little bit of additional lace, and then I'm going to go over the minimum lace that's there with just a little bit of powder to make sure that it blends into the skin. I'm also going to use my hot comb to make my roots just as flat as they can be. Depends on how you like to wear your wigs. Some people prefer to have more of a thicker root option. Some like to have a flat root option. It's totally up to you. I don't judge. The longest process of this entire video is just straightening the hair out. We have a nice good length and a density to go well with that length. It's a perfect match, a perfect balance. Now, I am on the bigger head side, if you guys are not aware, but I like the way this wig fit on me. During the week, I did not use any like holding spray or any glue with it, but I did do the adjustable bands at the back. I crossed them so that way it would be nice and secure. I felt more comfortable wearing it long term like that, and I didn't have any issues with having to constantly readjust my hair. Back into the closure, since it is more of a wide closure, if you are someone who doesn't like a straight middle part, you can give yourself a side part. The wig doesn't have layers, so if you will prefer layers in your hair, you'll have to cut them on your own. Do be mindful that if you cut the layers while it's in the middle and then you decide to do a parting space on the side, it might be just a little bit off due to the cut. So just think about that. So definitely make sure you consider that. I would like to point out that their plucking job is really good. Normally, I feel like a lot of places will say, oh, our hair is pre-plucked. And then you get it and it's still hella thick around the hairline, but this one is actually very natural. very well bleached, like very small knots. One of those wigs that you'll get that's already pre-blended, making it a lot easier on you. The texture of this hair is really nice. Definitely a yaki feel. I will say one thing that I noticed with it was brushing it out. I do tend to get a few strands here and there, but it's not overly shedding. Making it a lot easier on you. So if you guys are interested in this unit, all the information is going to be in my description bar below. Thank you to UNiceHair for sending this unit over. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.